Hello, everyone. I am Elizabeth Montero Tefalo, and I am so excited to be a part of this event where we will learn the true message of behavior. Everyone has that one or two or maybe 5 children in their class who have experienced trauma, and the pain and the hurt was exhibited in the behaviors that they would display. You have just poured your heart and soul into working with this child, and time again, they refuse to connect. One child comes to mind in particular for me who had some of the most challenging behaviors from the moment that they walked through the door. This is a child that had special needs, speech and language issues, flipping tables, running out of the classroom, hurting others, hurting me, hit me multiple times. I came home wounded and just depleted. They were incredibly hard to reach. I tried all of these different things, and there were times where I wanted to just give up. Thank goodness that I walked into a conscious discipline training, because had I not been there, I don't think I would have stayed in the classroom at all. It was only until I understood that their behavior was a call for help. It helped me shift my perspective. I realized that it wasn't my job to control their behavior. It was my job to come to school with an open mind and an open heart, and to be able to see this as an opportunity for me to connect with them. So I shifted from that control into that connection, and it made a world of difference. Within these 2 days, we're going to really talk about building a window of resilience, to be able to build that resilience in children so that they can bounce back after stress. I am going to give you the practical methods so that you can build that self-regulation. As the adult first, you will be able to obtain these necessary tools despite the triggers, despite the things that push our buttons, so that you can guide children in doing this as well. So whether you are a special needs educator, an interventionist or behavior specialist, or you work with children who have experienced trauma, if you are a general ed teacher, or even a parent as well, if you are looking for a better way of handling some of those behaviors that you're seeing in young children, then join me at this 2-day workshop. I am so excited to see you there, connect with you, and from the bottom of my heart, I wish you well.